Good day, Ma'am Jennifer Ulo, and good day, classmates. We are from the Group 2, and our report is all about define brand. So first is we have to define what brand is all about. So brand is a product or services that has a unique and immediately recognizable identity that distinguishes itself from others in the industry. It can be communicated through an identifying mark, logo, name, tagline, voice, and tone. So when we say brand, ito daw ay isang product or services na kung saan mabilis mo siyang ma-recognize, na kung saan mabilis mo siyang ma-identify, at na kung saan mabilis mo siyang ma-distinguish or ma-differentiate sa ibang brand. That is what we call brand. So, brand can be communicated through logo, mark, names, tagline, and even voice and tone. So, example nito yung Nike, 'di ba? Brand na Nike or any other brands. So, mabilis mo silang ma-identify through their logo. And for example, like this guys. This Nike shoes is walang name na Nike mismo na nakasulat. So, definitely, ang makikita mo dito, ma-recognize mo kaagad yung logo niya, which is this one. So, recognizable siya as Nike brand. So, may ibang example naman tayo na shoes na nakasulat na yung name ng Nike. So, automatically, ma-distinguish mo talaga at ma-identify mo talaga na Nike talaga siya. So, that is what we call brand. So, sa pag-create ng brand, kailangan dumadaan tayo sa mga proseso, and one of the process is the branding. So, ano nga ba yung branding process? So, branding is the process of creating the brand identity of a company. This process also delivers materials that support the brand like logo, tagline, visual design, or tone voice. So, in any businesses that a company did na para magkaroon sila ng magandang outcome ng brand, so kailangan nilang mag-undergo sa branding process. Kasi dito sa branding process, dito napapaloob or pumapasok yung mga designs, mga styles ng brand na gusto mo para nang sa ganun, magandang outcome ng brand mo. So, importante and crucial ang branding sa lahat ng businesses na gumagawa ng kanilang identity, which is the personality and the quality of their brand. So, ayun, branding is very important. So, in business world, kailangan talaga na may goal ka kung gumagawa ka ng isang bagay, diba? So, here, we're gonna tackle the goals of branding for business. Ano ba yung mga goals ng branding for business? First is to influence what people associate with your brand and how they feel about it. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan kapag nag-create ka ng brand, so isipin mo na yung influence ng brand na yan sa tao. So, kailangan yung brand na yan, alam mo that brand you are familiar with. So, kailangan familiar ka sa brand na yan, and eventually, yung brand na yan ay kailangan mahal mo. So, kinreate mo yung brand na yan, it is because there is something in you na mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. And second is to create a distinct identity in your industry. What does it mean by distinct identity? So, pumapasok dito yung positioning, which is what makes your brand different from others. So, kapag may time na tayo magbe-business or magkakaroon ng brand, so, importante dito yung distinct identity ng brand natin. So, next is to build loyalty over time. So, bakit kailangan ng isang brand na mag-build ng loyalty over time? So, isa yan sa goal ng branding. So, if you remember guys, bakit si Starbucks ay tinatangkilik ng tao? Bakit ang Nike ay talagang binibili ng tao? It's because these brands are creating loyalty to people over time. Binabalik-balikan ng tao, tinatangkilik ng tao because of their authenticity and they are trustworthy. So, that's all my report for today. Have a great day.